Good morning, madam.
We are very pleased to have you. We are with us the principal of the BLD Polytechnic Bijapur. Today he is here present with us to guide the students and the parents, those who want to take admission for diploma. So basically what is diploma? Or the students or parents who are in the 10th standard and the parents want their kid to take the admission for diploma, but there is no proper information. So what is diploma?
So, madam, you asked a very good question to me. The diploma is a very important course for the middle class people in India. Why? Because this is the industrial related courses. Of many of the diploma courses are running over the India. It's basically the the fundamental of industry depends on diploma courses. Why? Because these are technical and also have the real workers in the industry, both technical. But this diploma has to be a 3 years course of many courses like automobile, civil, computer science, electronics, electrical, mechatronics, civil. There are many of the courses. Most wonderful courses are be designed by the Board of Director of Technical Education for all the states, even in the Karnataka. The Karnataka recently have framed the practical oriented courses, subjects. Why? Because the students are coming after the 10th. It's very difficult to learn the theoretically. The practically have more important. So that's why the C20 curriculum have designed the 70% of the syllabus framed related to industry, practical, skill oriented.
Fully practical.
Fully practical oriented. So one theory, four practicals. The student must practically hand to hand practice is very important to learn and practice and do in the industry. This is a very important need for this type of curriculum. So that's why the board has given very good curriculum and this most wonderful courses for medium class and poor class peoples can take the admission to diploma for a guarantee of the job and skill and entrepreneur.
So basically, what is the benefit after taking admission for diploma after 10th?
So for the diploma students, there are three different categories of benefits. I can explain in details. One is the poor students can take admission with a very short period of time and complete and get the job immediately to any industry. One. The second one is if it is become an entrepreneur, can also be start in the rural area. Some industry, small scale industry can start by his own skill and knowledges. It's immediately the government has provided the loan and also the technical support. And third one is he can have more education is required, higher education is required. They can also be continued with the basic knowledge of a diploma education. They can grow his career with the higher level. There are three important. The classification of the benefit is be defining and it need for everyone. And for diploma, the student can took the admission to diploma. There are two choices. One is job or higher education. Okay. So medium class people they need to earn the money. They can join the job in any industry. Any industry nowadays by Make in India, Startup in India, they have lot of opportunity for the diploma holder compared to the engineering. The present the industry is they are coming over here. They are conducting many of the campus drive, but the students are not get the required amount of the candidates who are facing that. But now basically we have 15 to 20,000 rupees salary. The later on they have to reach in a higher level in the industry based on his performance, skill and knowledge. It's a very good course what they are designed by the technical course in the AICT also.
We can say that if a student is taking admission for diploma after the 10th, then the diploma he will get the basic knowledge of all the technical education. And if he want to stop the study, he can get the benefit, he can do the job or he can make his own business and we If the student want to go for the higher education, we can say that suppose the student is from computer field.
Okay.
In the diploma, he will get the knowledge that in which field he is interested, maybe networking or maybe cryptography or software testing. And what in the engineering he can do that, he can focus on his interest area, and up till he complete his engineering, he would be pioneer in that subject and he would be ready for the job. This is thing that is the importance or the benefit of diploma.
Okay. The first benefit of the students, the middle class people, the poor can go for job.
Yes.
Is to achieve their career in the higher level, they can many of the opportunities in the graduation field of many of the courses, designing courses, and what we call as any of the software in the software field,
Web-based design.
web-based designing and Java, multiple of artificial intelligence. There are many of the courses are designed recently by the AICT, and he can get any short-term course and also for the full-time course. There are two type of courses also be designed by the AICT. One is short-term courses,
Okay.
additional courses, value-added courses. They can also be learned. And if you need a complete the graduation in the engineering field, there are many of the courses that were designed by even in the networking and designing, all these courses. There are a lot of opportunities in the computer science, electronics, and also for the mechanical students.
In short, we can say that after completing the diploma, the student is ready, product oriented. He is ready for the job. So I am very grateful to thank you, sir, being with us and sharing your information with us. Thank you.
Thank you giving a very good opportunity for me to share with you for what I rendering my service of as a principal and the HODs and the lecturer in the field of technical education in the diploma level. I have explained, I have given a brief notice to you. Thank you very much for conducting this event in this our premises. On behalf of the management, on behalf of the staff, and thank you very much for your valuable interaction sessions. Thank you very much.